Welcome to day 2 of the reverse. Yesterday did not go as planned, and it was kind of disappointing a little bit, the food wise. I guess that should be expected when I've gone from eating 1,300 calories, trying to go to eating, all that dessert stuff in one go. Was probably not the best choice, but it was a birthday party, so I was trying. But I didn't get to have any cake and ice cream, so probably will have that today. It is 8 o'clock. I woke up absolutely starving. I usually don't wake up starving, but I just showed you all of my supplements. That's kind of what I do in the morning when I wake up. I take my magnesium, my vitamin, and then I do my electrolytes. The first one was Solé water, which is about 2 tablespoons Solé water that I take at a time, 4 times a day. A lot more than most people take, but I've been doing this a long time, and I know how much I need to take. And then, of course, this. I don't drink coffee, and so this is what I drink in the morning, and I'm addicted to them, to be honest. Good stuff, but expensive. Anyway, so I don't know what the plan is going to be for today, but we shall see. I'm going to go out and get the chickens fed and do my morning tours. It's Sunday. I'm not sure what's going to happen. Normally I would get in the pool, but it is, alas, my time of the month, so I won't be doing that today, and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Guess we'll see how the day progresses. Chick, 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 chickies, chicks. Chick, 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 chicks. It's hard to see them that way. Chick, 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 chickies, chicks. There they are. Hey, Marcia. Marcia. Hey, Shadow. You're my best girl, aren't you? Yeah, you are. It's about 11:30, and I'm having my second dose of Solé, and it is 2,800 milligrams of sodium. So this will make me to 5,600, I think. It's 11:30. And then this is my scary looking Solé jar. It's the one I've been using for years. And when it's time for me to fill up my container, I've got half a dose left. This is how I do it. See if I can do it one-handed for you guys. I start with the little one just so I can pour it off without the pink getting in. Fill that up to the top. Then I fill this, and I just gently hold the thing so that the pink dust doesn't come out with the Solé. Like that. And then you can see I've got the dust in the bottom there. Then I just add water to this. So I'm going to do that. And then I just grab, you can see my salt's almost gone, but I just grab like a little handful and add it in each day. Pretty much do this unless the dust gets like really annoying and it keeps pouring out with the Solé, and that's how I just keep it rotated. I don't usually dump it out until I can't pour it out without the pink dust like coming with the Solé. So yeah, that's how I do that. So as you can see, I have my own personal chiropractor that comes to my house because I'm fancy like that. I actually do though, and he comes about once a month, and basically Dave fixes his car whenever, or any of his kids' cars that need fixing, and he takes a half hour and pops everybody's back. Hi, bud. What's the matter? What's the matter? Is your foot hurt worse now?
No.
Okay, what's the matter?
Look at my back.
Oh, I didn't think you wanted to do it. Because you acted like you didn't want to. I'm so sorry. You can do it next time, okay?
But that was to take forever.
I'm sorry. You never know with that kid. Sometimes he wants it done, sometimes he doesn't. Today he was acting like he didn't. And now the chiropractor has left. Now he's upset. Anyway, it is a little after noon, and I'm finally going to eat my first meal. I had originally planned to have strawberries and whipped cream, but when I went to make it, my other container of whipped cream had gone bad. I'm super sad. So I am stuck eating a leftover Jell-O salad from last night. And I will tell you that leftover Jell-O salad is not nearly as good as fresh Jell-O salad, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat for my very first meal. So right here, I'm just having 4 chicken legs with some sugar-free barbecue sauce and 2 servings of leftover Jell-O salad. You can see it gets really dry. The Jell-O kind of like firms up and it gets really dry the next day, so it's not as good. And of course, starting on my 2-liter Coke. I take a whole day to drink this, but I drink one pretty much every day. She didn't crash yet. 30. I've been outside here with my kids for about 3-4 hours, and I am having another dose of Solé water. And my afternoon bang, and 3 sugar-free Jell-Os, because I love them. Alrighty guys, it is 6 o'clock. I am back in the house now, but ready to eat my last meal of the day. So I decided I would be super careful tracking all of my fats and proteins, but I'm not being as careful tracking all of my veggies. So I didn't track any of the veggies I put on my plate, but I did track my salsa, my sour cream, chips, and everything. So I'm going to show you this. All right, so here is my taco salad. So this is a little different than my normal taco salad because I used 80-20 ground beef. So I have 1 package of nacho cheese Quest chips, 4 ounces of 80-20 ground beef, 3 tablespoons of salsa, no, 4 tablespoons of salsa, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 ounces of Mexican blend cheese, and then I just put lettuce on there, some olives, some tomatoes, and some onion. I did not really track it. I'm pretty sure it'll fit just fine in my carbs, but I'm really more worried about the calories, and those aren't coming from those. So, yeah. Anyway, that is going to be my final meal for the day, but I am still going to have that gosh dang cake and ice cream that I didn't get to have yesterday, so I will be sure to film it when I have that. I'll probably be doing that in a couple hours. I'll see how things go, but right now, I don't think I could fit it in my stomach. That's the problem. Like, I ate some Jell-O, like, at, 4:30, and I still full from the Jell-O. Weird. Doesn't usually happen like that for me. So I think all of these fats are a little bit more than what my body's used to, but I think this will be a good refeed for me and hopefully help me to get back into the calorie deficit, which I'm going to be doing from Monday through Friday. Then Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to be adding a Quest bar, and that will make my calories average out to 1354 each day of the week. That's my plan. Best laid plans and all that. Wish me luck. Anyway, I'll be back when I eat something else. 9 p.m. Solé dose number 4. Alrighty guys, it's like 10 o'clock. Just took my vitamins for the night, but I am about to have this. My cake and ice cream. This is a keto cake from a local company called keepingitKetocakes.com. They do not ship, but there is another company called Keto Cakes Utah, and they do ship. So if you're looking for a cupcake kind of thing like this is a little different, but and some Rebel ice cream. Now, granted, my stomach is extremely full. I I don't know if I'll finish it, but I'm trying to get these calories in. Number one reason, because I tracked it and I want it to be a certain calories for my refeed. Number two, because I'm not going to get a chance to eat this for a while. So, taking the opportunity, whether I can fit it in my stomach or not. So, don't know if I'll finish it, but consider it eaten at this point. So, anyway, I'm heading off to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.